Hello guys, welcome back to Christianity Reloaded. Protestants or Protestantism doesn't have a consistent dogmas, and they don't have a means or a procedure to produce one. We see that what they call their dogmas keep changing. It's not consistent all the time. Something they believe today in the next 10 years may be changed, and they don't have a mechanism to produce a unified or consistent dogmas. And when you look at what this leads to, we see that it leads to private interpretation of the scriptures, and we see how from Protestantism we have Mormons and Jehovah's Witnesses just resorting to appealing to the scripture and the private interpretation of scriptures. But when you look at the Catholic Church or the Orthodox Church, you see that their dogmas last. Dogma when they declare should last forever until Christ comes. But in Protestantism, it's different.